Hi, so today I'm going to discuss the problem minimum number of coins to be added. Okay, so what is the problem statement is that here they will give some coins, array of coins, represent the value of the coins available, an integer target. Okay, an integer x is obtainable if there exists a subsequence of coins that sums to x. Return the minimum number of coins of any value that need to be added to the array that every integer in the range 1 to target is obtainable. Okay, so some coin will be given. Okay, and also there will be given target. So I will have to check that from 1 to target. If we want to generate all the values from 1 to target, can we generate or not? If we can't generate, then I have to add new coins, right, of those values, and minimum number of coins I have to check, and we have to return the value of minimum number of coins we have to add it. Okay, so for this example, what is the problem? 1, 4 and 10. So target is 19. So our first I have to generate current target is 1. Okay, so we will see that one coin value of coin is there. So I can take. So our current answer will be 0. So answer will be here 0. So next current target is 2. Can we generate? No, because one coin is present, but no two coin is present that we can, or any subsequence also not present whose sum will be 2. So we have to take another coin whose value is 2. So currently we are adding 2 here. Okay, so next target is 3. Yeah, by using subsequence of 1 and 2 we can generate, right? So answer will be still here 1. Next target is 4. So we are seeing that 4 is already present as a coin in the coin array, so we don't have to take any new coins. So here answer will be 1. Next target is 5. So by using any subsequence, can we generate 5 whose sum will be 5? Yeah, by 1 and 4. By 1 and 4, so answer will be still 1. Okay, so next target is 6. So can we generate any subsequence whose sum will be 6? Yeah, 2 and 4, right? 2 plus 4, so answer will be still 1. For 7, any subsequence? Yeah, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4, so answer is still 1. Okay, so next is 8. Can you generate any subsequence? What are those present coins? 1, 2, 4 and 10. 8, 1 plus 2 plus 4, no. So we have to take another new coin whose sum will be whose value will be 8. So current answer will be 2. So currently what are coins are present? 1, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 10. So next target is 9. Can we generate any subsequence? 9? Yeah. 1 plus 8. So answer is still 2. Any 10? 10, yeah. 2 plus 8. We can generate answer will be so 2. For 11, 11, 1 plus 2 plus 8. 1 plus 2 plus 8. It will be answer is still 2 because sum is 11. For 12, yeah, 4 plus 8. So answer will be 2. For 13, 13, 1 plus 4 plus 8. So answer will be 2. For 14, 2 plus 4 plus 8. Answer will be still 2. For 15, 15 if I take 15, 2 plus 4, 6, 7, 7, 7, yeah. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. Right. So still here the value answer will be 2. To generate 16, 16, can I generate 16? 1 plus 2, 16, yeah. 4 plus 2 plus 10. 2 plus 4 plus 10, yeah. 2 plus 4 plus 10. Right. So answer will be still 2. To generate 17, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 10. Here sum will be 17, right? 14, 16, 17. Yeah, answer will be still 2. 18. So 18, can I generate 18? Yeah, 8 plus 10 directly you can generate, right? So here also answer will be 2. So what was the target? 19. Okay, 19 can I generate? 19 is, yeah, 1 plus 8 plus 10. So answer will be 2. So final answer is 2. So we have to return 2, right? So here we can, like, in this way, like, we can see, like, maximum what is the values we can consider, like, we can generate for one. Initially 1 4 and 10 was present, right? 1 4, sorry, 1 4 and 10, yeah. So whenever we cumulative sum, we will check, like, first sum is 1 and also our target is 1, so we can generate, like, so our current next target is 2, but our next one is 4, which is greater than the current target, so we have to take 2. So answer is equal to 1 and current sum will be 2 plus 1, 3. Right, 3 we can generate, but next target is 4. 4, yeah, 4 coin is present, so we are taking 4. So next our sum is 3. Okay, so next our target is 8. Right, 8. Can we generate 8? No, no coin is present 8. So I will take a new coin whose value is 8. So current sum will be 7, 8 plus 7. 7 was previously, and current we are taking 8. So current sum is 15. So answer will be 2. And you can check that we can generate all the coin from 1 to 15 by using 1, 2, 4, and 8 and 10. Okay, how, like, 15 is okay, so we can take a new coin because it's no matter, because we can create, right? 15. How, if we are not taking 10, so what is the coin present? 1, 2, 4, and 8. So 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So this is the maximum value we can generate for 12, 12 and 15. Okay, so 10 also we can take for future also, like 16. For 16 we can, it will be helpful or not, but in 15 we don't have to take any new coin. Okay, so we are taking 10, so 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. Okay, so it's already crossing the target, so we can return our current answer is equal to 2. Okay, so let's see the code, it will be helpful. So first I will sort the coins on the basis of values, like first will be 1, 4, and 10. So by, we have to generate from 1 to 19 our target, right? So from smaller we will go through, right? So currently our answer is 0. We are not taking any new coins and current sum is 0. Okay, and this is the pointer which is pointing to the coins. Okay, so we are checking that if still we are not reach the target, so we will have to look, go to the while loop. So in the next condition is that if I less than coin size, if I less than coin size, so still coins are present, some coins are present, and coins value is less than the current sum plus 1. So initially what is the current sum? Current sum is 0, and target mm, and I is equal to 0, right? So I is pointing here. So we are checking that 0 plus 1 less than equal to 1. So we are taking these coins and current sum will be plus is equal to coin size, value of the coin 1. So current sum will be 1. Okay. So next target will be what? 2. 1 plus 1, because we have already generated 1. So next target will be 1 plus 1, 2. So, and also we are doing the I plus plus because we have to already taken this coin. So we have to go to the next coin. And in for the next condition, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So I less than coins, okay. 4. 4 less than current sum plus 1, because our target is current plus sum plus 1, because we have already generated current sum, so we have to take the next value. Current sum plus 1 is equal to 2, right? Current sum is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we are checking that this 4 less than 2, less than equal to 2, no. So we are taking a new coin whose value is 2. So answer will be plus plus, because we are taking new coin, and also we are adding these coins to our current sum. So our current sum will be what? previously it was 1 and we were taking new coin whose value is 2, so new sum will be 3. So we are already generated 3. So next our target will be what? 4. So next we are checking that we are still reached or not on the target. If it's already reached, then we are not have to check. So next is 4. So 4 we are checking that yeah, coin sign less than equal to current sum, yeah, 4 less than equal to 3 plus 1. So we can take this coin. So we are taking this. So current sum will be 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And we are incrementing the index to point to the 10. Okay. So now what is happening that now our next target is 8. So we are checking coin sign. Coin sign means 10. 10 less than 8. 10 less than equal to 8. No. So we are taking another coin whose value is 8. So answer plus plus and current sum will be what? Current sum plus 1. Means current sum previously was 7 and we are taking a new coin whose value is 8. So 15. Current sum will be 15. Right? And in this way we can, I have shown you that how can we generate 15 by using these coins. Still we have seen like 1, 2, 4 and 8, right? So in the next condition we are still current sum is less than, still target is 19. So we are checking next condition like 10, that coin is present. 10 less than equal to 15, yeah, less than equal to 15. So we can take this coin. And what is the value? Current sum value will be 15 and previously it was 15 and currently we're taking 10, so 25 will be cover. So by adding 10 we can generate up to 25. You can see, because in this by using these 4 coins we can generate 15, right? But if you add this 5 or 25, if you take all the 5 coins, that will be 25. Okay, but can we generate 24? Yeah. How? 10 plus 8 plus 4, what is the value? 22 and 2. Then what is the sum of the value? 20, 24. Like in this way we can prove that we can generate all the values from 1 to 25. So whenever 25 is less than target, no false, so we are returning answer. So we have to take only 2 coins. Okay. So what is the time velocity for this for this algorithm? We are sorting this. So this is the n log n, and for this also we are current circle. So this will be for n. So time velocity will be n log n. Got it right? आई थिंक और भी एल्गोरिथम में अच्छे समझ में आया, अप्रोच कैसे किया, लॉजिक भी समझ में, राइट? थैंक यू.